It was year 1924 when a psychologist named Carney Landis decided to carry out an experiment that went so cruel that it is even considered unethical in the field of psychology. This test was so horrible that it left most of its subjects traumatized and also resulted in the death of several innocent lives. The experiment I am going to talk about in this video is the Carney Landis facial expression experiment of 1924. Hey guys, if you are someone who likes listening creepy and disturbing stories and incidents, then you can subscribe to the channel, as here I post videos related to real life psychological cases. Now let's get back to the video. Carney Landis was a psychologist who was born on January 11, 1897 in the small Ohio town of West Alexandria. After a short stay in Carnegie Institute of Technology, he shifted to Ohio State University, where he received his BA in psychology in 1921. He completed his MA from the Dartmouth College in 1922, where he also taught as an instructor in psychology. Just after his MA, he transferred to the University of Minnesota, where he obtained his PhD in 1924. He was a supporter of experimentation from the very beginning and believed that a hypothesis should be tested with a proper experiment done under controlled and objective conditions. He was very active in the field of psychology and conducted a lot of experiments in his career. One such experiment conducted by him on facial expressions became very popular due to the tragic effects it had on the participants and the cruelty it implicated on innocent creatures. Carney conducted this experiment because he wanted to find out if all humans made the same facial expressions when responding to the same situations. But there was a problem, that people cannot replicate the expressions intentionally as they make when they are actually feeling that emotion, because obviously there is a massive difference between real and fake expressions. So he wanted to genuinely evoke the emotions or the feelings in the subject and then capture their emotions in photographs to see whether different people respond to the same situation in a similar way. But rather than evoking positive emotions in the subject like happiness or excitement, he wanted to capture negative emotions like disgust, fear, sadness and pain. And to evoke these negative emotions, he did things that you cannot even imagine. Even the participants didn't know what was going to happen in the experiment. When Carney conducted the test in 1924, he was at the University of Minnesota. For the experiment, he collected graduate students from the Minnesota University. There were 25 participants in total. From those, 12 were females and 13 were males. There was an exception, a participant who was a 13-year-old boy. He was a patient there for the account of psychological and high blood pressure issues. He was also included as a subject in the experiment. For observing the expressions properly and making the study much effective, Carney used a very creative trick. He drew black lines on the faces of the participants so that even a slight change in the expression can be easily tracked with the movement of the lines. Now the experiment begins. There were total 17 torturous situations every participant was put into, with a progressive increase in the intensity. In the beginning of the experiment, participants were given some harmless tasks. The subjects had to listen to a popular music, and while listening to the particular music, their expressions were captured in photographs with camera placed in front of them. They had to read few words or sentences from Bible. These kinds of tasks were given in the starting, which were quite normal. But Carney was not satisfied here, as all these situations were very simple and it did not produce much emotions and expressions in the participants as Carney wanted. He wanted to capture intense negative emotions, due to which he decided to increase the intensity of the situations. Now, in this phase of experiment, the participants had to perform tasks like smelling ammonia, which has a very pungent odor. The participants were told to share their most embarrassing secret or incident of their life. They were shown disgusting images of different skin diseases, and if you think what is disturbing in skin disease, then you can yourself search it on the internet. Firecrackers were burst under the chair on which the subject was sitting. He asked participants to put their hand in a basket of live frogs, and when they touched the bottom, they were given electric shock. These things were done and they even evoked more emotions in the participants. But then also Carney did not get the results that he expected. So he took the experiment to the most crazy level you could ever think. And this is the point where the experiment took the most cruel turn. But before I tell you about that, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to get more such videos. So he gave his participants a white fluffy rat in one of their hands and a butcher's knife in the other. And probably you know what is going to happen next. Carney ordered the participants to cut off the head of the rat. Just imagine holding a cute little mouse moving in your hand and you are told to kill it. How terrible it feels. At first the participants thought that it was a joke, that they are being told to capture their expressions. But then Carney told them that they have to do the task and he is not joking. At this, most of the participants refused to perform this horrible act. Obviously, who could do such a thing with these innocent animals? But they were forced to carry out this act, due to which, among those participants, few obeyed him and killed the rat. But those who did not follow Carney's orders had to see the killing of the rat in front of their eyes done by Carney. What a cruel experiment it has become. Most of the participants became traumatized and started crying after watching this. Some became angry and some became very sad. Among all these participants, there was a 13-year-old boy whom I had mentioned earlier in the video. He also had to perform the same task. And here I am going to show you a few of his photographs which were taken during the experiment. You can clearly see how sad and depressed he is looking with what he had seen. This test had the worst effect on this boy, as he was already suffering from health and psychological issues, and also because he was very young for such kind of test. This time Carney was satisfied with the results, and finally this terrible experiment came to an end. But the most embarrassing aspect of the whole story was the final results of the most cruel test were not that noteworthy. According to the results of the test, there is no typical facial expression accompanying any emotion aroused in the experiment. Their emotions and expressions vary according to their gender, mental status, thoughts, and several other factors. Like men reacted to killing of rats with rage and anger, while women reacted to the same situation with sadness and crying. This means that there was no requirement to conduct such a test. Even today, this test is not given much value among other experiments conducted in psychology. The experiment is also considered unethical because it broke certain rules that are essential to follow during the conduction of a test. This whole incident shows that how far human can go for his own benefit and how cruel he can become. It caused intense trauma and discomfort to the patients, and even above that, it resulted in the sacrifice of several innocent lives. So this is how it became one of the most cruel experiments ever conducted in psychology. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. You can watch my latest video in which I had described the case of a woman who had the worst musical hallucinations. Click on this video to know her full story.